y'all catching me early in the morning. Nothing is done. But I have to get these soaps done, and still got my nightgown and everything on. This is how I do early in the morning. It is what it is. I'm trying to pack all this stuff. I have my soaps right here. I'm not done printing off the labels, but this is my bug off soap. It's one of them things that keep the mosquitoes away. Trust me. Trust me. I have a son that is my rose soap. I have a son that is allergic to any type of bug bites, and I have to try it out. So I was looking for a recipe, and I finally found one, and it does the job. It does the job, boy. I tell you. Whenever I know they going outside or something like that, I have to put bathe them in the soap, because I'm around a lot of grass and trees, and they be outside getting bit up by mosquitoes. So the last thing I need for him to look like he got jumped, because that's what he gonna look like. I remember the first time I noticed, I'm like, what? And man, and I had to go to work. I'm like, what in the world is wrong with your head? Like, what? Who hit you? Nobody hit him. And if I thought that, I know people thinking like, and she hitting her kids too hard. No, I didn't hit him at all. Mosquito bit him, or a spider or something. Whatever bit him, messed his whole face up. Look, I was just like, oh my goodness. I hope people don't try to be nosy and call the people on me, because guess what? I am not abusing my kids. And yeah, so that's one reason why I had to, put something into work for that, because he a kid, he want to go outside, he want to play, and he want to do the regular, things that the kids do. All right, y'all. I am actually about to get off of here. I'm about to get dressed, so I'll be right back. I'm about to get dressed and pack the rest of these soaps. So this right here, I love this bag with my rose soap, and soon it will be my oatmeal honey and turmeric soap that will be going in that bag also. So I have like different bags for different soaps. Give me 1 second, my kids always barging in. Yes.
So +1 + 1 + 1 + 5 + 10 equals 18.
1, 1.
1. 5.
5. That's 5, 6, 7. Okay, and what else?
10.
10. That's 17. And oh, you said +1 again?
+1 + 1 + 1 + 5 + 10 equals 18.
You are correct. You are correct, young man. Alright, so I'll be back, y'all. I'm about to go jump in the shower, get dressed, and I'll be back packing these soaps. See y'all later. Alright, I got my bucket and to cut off the sides, and I just shave them off like this. See the sides.
Please.
Yes. And I really don't care about the ash on the top, because once you wet it with water, it goes away. So this is something first of all, it's not harmful. Second of all, it's not a lot. I just may need to do like my water discount maybe. And I was thinking about that because I'm like, you know what? If I do a water discount, I'm less likely to have soda ash on here. And yeah. I don't have like a soap room or a little designated spot for me to do my soaps in yet. So I typically bag the soaps. When I put them in the bags, I normally put it right in the shelf. And I have more shelves coming tomorrow because I have a lot of soaps to go in there. I actually have some soaps downstairs. So it's like 10:04 now. So I'm hoping if I get done this and I get done bagging the other soaps, you know, I have enough time to create my other soap, put my other soap together. And my other soap is the tropical carrot. So, but yeah, so I'm working on getting a space. Things like this, I typically keep for me and my family because the samples are like this. They're really thin. Samples you can only bathe like once or twice with, and most 9 times out of 10, the samples are free. You know, so if you order maybe like 2 soaps, you get a sample of one of my other specialty soaps. So, and sometimes I'm generous enough to send like a bigger size bar, and it could be this size. You know, I have like different sizes there. Sometimes how it's cut, these are like the extra little ones, and I either save them because I have a whole lot. And I have more that's in my linen closet. So you know, this morning I was just asked, Mom, do you have any soap that I can get? Yeah. If you just pick one off the shelf, you can use it. I don't understand. But of course we got soap. Of course Mama got soap. Mama got a brand new bag. Alright, so little things like this, I don't even bother, you know, to do the size or whatever, because they be tripping. It's too many other soaps that I could use, unless I'm giving those away. But if I'm giving those away, then I package them, you know, right in a bag. But if I'm not, there's no need for me to stress over it. So I'm not. Brother was like, why don't you got any bags to, you know, you put them in bags. And I'm like, I don't know. I don't know if I want them in bags. I don't know if they're going to look right in bags. That was something I was like, in between in my head. Like, are they going to look right in bags? Are they going to look, you know, good in these packages? Until I started putting them in there, and I'm just like, you know, let me order these and see how they look. And I ordered them, and I like them. So that's that. So this is like a short little video of me on my packaging journey. And I'll come back with the finished product in a little bit. So when I'm done packaging these little bags, I will show you all the finished product. I have some up there anyway. So, see you in a little bit.
Oh,